in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset your tab via settings. In the beginning, let's go to your tab, settings, and scroll down. Enter system and select reset options. Now you can reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, app preferences, or erase all data. Select it and erase all data. Beware, because every file and data from your tab will be erased. Your tab needs to be higher than 30%. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.